A lot of people freak out when it comes to changing a light fixture, especially to LED. And I get it, wires are involved, so it feels like you're diffusing a bomb. But it's honestly kind of foolproof if you walk through it slowly. First, kill power to the breaker. Yes, even if you flip the light switch off. That switch doesn't cut off electricity to the wires, just to the bulb. This is Electrical Safety 101 and not negotiable if you're planning on seeing next Christmas. Now take down the old fixture. Usually it's 2 screws and a couple twist-on wire connectors holding everything together. As you unscrew it, be ready to manage the weight. Old fixtures can be surprisingly heavy, like they're built out of gilt and bronze. Before detaching wires, take a quick photo with your phone. It's basically a cheat code. The existing wiring setup tells you exactly how to install the new fixture. Don't assume all black wires are hot and white is neutral. That's a rookie mistake. Here comes the fun part. Your LED fixture should come with a mounting bracket. Pop that onto the ceiling box first. You're creating a track for the LED to sit in. It's like the modern-day Lego version of electrical work. Streamlined and simple. Most LED fixtures now use quick-attach connectors or color-coded wires. Match black to black, white to white, and ground to ground. It's a 3-wire system unless it's some extra fancy unit. Use wire nuts and tug on them slightly to ensure they're snug. Double-check that no bare copper is exposed. That's a fire hazard waiting to happen. I like to give everything a twist and make sure the connections feel tight. You'll feel the difference between secure and hoping for the best. Next, fit the LED base over the mounting bracket and screw it in. Some models literally click into place, which is wildly satisfying. Others will have a couple flush screws you angle in. It takes about 1 YouTube ad break's worth of time. Now here's what people don't expect. The room will instantly feel different. LED lighting is brighter, clearer, and doesn't waste energy. A typical 60-watt equivalent LED bulb only uses about 9 watts. That's over 80% energy savings, and it shows on your bill. The real glow-up comes in the lifespan. Most LED lights last 15 to 25 times longer than incandescent ones. That means if you put this in today, odds are you won't have to touch it again until your current music tastes are considered retro. Pro tip, always check for color temperature. Daylight LEDs are around 5000 K and feel invigorating, but might make your bedroom feel like a dentist's office. Warm white 2700 K to 3000 K hits that cozy end-of-day vibe we're all chasing on a Tuesday night. People don't change their fixtures often, but that's the trap. It's one of those low-effort, high-impact upgrades. And once you do your first one, you'll start side-eyeing every frosted glass monstrosity in the rest of your house.